kurigirra mugambirizo wa poriisi omwihanga kituma rusoke obuyaba ryo muri ciko rw'abanyamakuru orwashitama harinaguro muri Kampala nagira ngo ebibireho hihi na Oboto Primary School aho abasigaza bari kugambwa kuba bari ba foot soldiers bahenzere motoka ya poriisi namba UP 1816 biba mu laptop yekika cha Dell ekishumuruzo ky'emotoka kya sensa bihamwe kidomora ky'amajuta n'enshaho y'emyenda
laptop ne batwala ensawo ya omu mu baana babadde mu motoka eyo ne bamenya n'ekisumuluzo eky'emmotoka ne batwala ne liters 20 ag'amafuta
kituma nagira ngo abakozere ekikorwa eki babire ne batamburira motoka namba UAN 255 ne ya drone namba UA 993 AU aho batangire motoka ya poriisi bakagifumura emipira batyo bakatwara ebintu ebyagambwaho
power pickups ne bagifumita oba bagifumise biki emipira gyonna yona emotoka netula.
SSP Julius Isabirye na Sergeant Peter Muhungu nibo batwire enshongeji aha poriisi
buli omu atambulize programs ze mudembe
ba foot soldiers 10 banopo n'emotoka y'ekika kya drone bekwasirwe okufuera poriisi omu kuchondoza
twagudewo emisango omuli robbery ne malicious damage era nga twakuteyo mu bantu baabwe twakuteyo abantu 10
we Robert Kyagulanyi sentamo erizoba atakajire mu campaign ze omuri Karamoja yayoreka kwetombwita aha poriisi okutahirira ekishenje kya hoteli aho babire Mbarara bakatandika kubafuza.
They raided us last night because they were looking for their gadgets. As you saw in the video, when one police officer was questioned what he wants, they said they are looking for tower. Now, Afande Nkore, the head of police in Lango and Teso, has told me that they are looking for Tower because they allege that he stole a laptop from them and he also stole a jammer from them, a sensor and a bag.
Oguyagamba nahambera yadana magikotirwe kandi yaza no mwirwaro okumurebaho.
As of now, 7 of them have been released, but 10 of them remain incarcerated. I have spoken to Commissioner of Police, Afande Nkore, who is the head of Lango and Teso, and I've expressed our concern to them, and I've also questioned why the police in Lira refused to record a statement.
Ndi Edwin Ram, Ahabga TV West, Agacencwire.